Y'all, I cannot get enough of this curl pattern. Oh my goodness gracious, girl. Oh my god. Crinkle curl what? Rama Noodle who? Like, girl.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Nothing like the peace of mind defining my being. Seeing is believing, and I'm speaking what I'm breathing. Seek what they hide, meet their demise. Sleep with the lies, greet their disguise. Reap what you sow when you know you're exposed. Creep on the low, then you go and impose.
Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise, hiding the clues. Everything you have been defying the truth.
Time don't stop for no man or woman. Climb to the top, but let the drop make you numbing. Live within your thoughts until you're lost inside of nothing. Take a couple shots, I got a pocket full of something. Would you rather elevate or perpetrate your sadness? Would you rather escalate or resonate your madness? Tell me what's the status? Where's your apparatus? When you live erratic, can't be scared to feel the static.
Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise, hiding the clues. Everything you have been defying the truth. Defying the truth. Time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slates, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this crinkle, curly, beautiful, gorgeous, bomb thing that's on my head. Yes, this is a new one from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Lilyana and the color number 2. The construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps and an attached wide elastic band. It does come pre-plucked, it does have baby hairs, and you do get just the singular parting going right down the middle. Like I said, this is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, so you do get the HD lace situation or whatever. So this unit's density is full, and I absolutely love it. If I had to guess the density, I want to say it would probably be not necessarily 180, but definitely at least 150, because even with it all crinkled together like this, it's still like a good amount of density, and this is all of the hair to the front. The texture on this unit, I mean, not necessarily Yaki, but I guess if I had to pick between Yaki and Silky, I would say it was Yaki, but it's not necessarily Yaki, if that makes any sense. It's just really soft and nice. Like, I am living for this texture. And you guys, I did not really get any tangling or shedding with this unit, which surprised me. Like, look at that. Like, butter honey just running my hands through it. Nothing is happening. Yes, Outre. So the length on this unit, it does come below my boobs. So this bad boy is pretty long. I am 5'3" for reference. Yeah. And let me just come in and show you this Outre Melted Hairline situation. So I feel like the hairline is looking pretty good. And One of the best things about this unit too is the lace does come literally all the way down to the sides. They give you baby hairs, they give you sideburns, so like honey, this whole thing is an entire look. I really like the fact that they give you so much lace. All around, the lace goes to like right about here. This unit definitely is coming off as small, medium, and big head friendly. I popped it on, I didn't adjust straps or whatever at all. I'm not wearing my wig grip band and it's fitting my head really nicely. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this is looking like all around. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, guys, I only have one con, and my con is personal preference. So if you saw in the video, I did go in and flatten out this top a little bit. It was looking a little bit humpy. So that is my only con. I just wish the curls kind of went all the way up like this so that I had like more fullness versus flatness, but I do think this look does look cute. I guess it's just, like I said, personal preference. My pros are I really love this hairline. This hairline is killing it. I like the fact that the lace did go all the way down, that it does come with sideburns. I really love the texture on this so much. I like the fact that I'm not getting any tingling or shedding really. I love the density. I like the length. They done did it. Beautiful on a budget. Hey, like yes. Outright. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.